beef tallow, pinch of salt, hot water. Smells good. Chicken that I let marinate for 4 hours at least. Avocado oil.